Thank you guys for coming out to Q in the Lou. Big Mo is going to show us a raspberry chipotle pork belly. Stick around. If you're close, you're probably going to get samples at the end.
Yep.
So Mo, take it away. Show us what you're doing.
Well, so what you do is you just go, use your favorite pork or rib rub. Simple as that. Normally I put like a little coat of oil or EVO on it. Put a nice coat on it. It's really simple. Pat it. Now I like putting rub on about an hour before putting it on the pit. Come over here on the back side here, on the cap side, and you come in, put a nice coat of rub on the back here and there, like this. So let's say 250. 250 is a great number to cook pork belly on. I don't wrap my pork belly. I want to get that nice bark and that nice coating that you get on top. I take a probe and I stick it in about the center part of this piece of pork belly. When it gets to about 203, 205 degrees internal temperature. And you let it rest for 15, 20 minutes, boom, good. Put it in here, say about 4 hours. Pork belly should be tender, moist, succulent. This is the raspberry chipotle that I made. I love raspberry chipotle. Take your raspberry chipotle glaze.
Right over.
And you just coat that bad boy. Now I would throw this back on the pit for a few minutes to caramelize the sauce. So you just come in here with your friends and you slice it.
That thing is slicing beautiful. All right, guys, we're gonna do some samples. Mo is gonna slice this up for us. We're gonna pass out some samples of this awesome raspberry chipotle pork belly from Big Moe Cason. Thank you for coming out. Everybody, let's give a big round for Big Moe Cason.